I was just a regular girl with big dreams and zero followers, zero money, zero skills, and no idea at all that what am I going to do in my career. But today I have built a successful 7-figure online business helping thousands of people live their dream life, and if I can do it, so can you. Hi, I am Smriti Mishra and I know what it feels like scrolling social media all day, watching others live your dream life and thinking all the time, when will it be my turn? If you are a student or a working professional and you are currently making 10, 20, 30,000 rupees per month, but you are dreaming about freedom in your life, making lakhs monthly, then I totally understand, because I have been exactly at the same place where you are today. I am myself from a middle-class family in India with no business background, no silver spoon, and being from a biotechnology background, I always used to think that 9 to 5 is going to be my only way out to survive in the world. But deep down, I always wanted freedom, money, and peace in my life, and a life where I can prioritize myself completely. And let me tell you something personal from my life. I have prepared for NEET examination. I always wanted to become a doctor, but I failed 2 times in that examination. And I am not afraid of accepting my failures today, because those failures only made me where I am today. And with whatever I am doing today in my career and in my life, I am really happy about it. Why I was able to move forward in my life and do so much better? Because I accepted my failures and I wanted to restart my life again. It wasn't easy at all. It was not a get-rich-quick scheme, no quick money. It was just complete and pure skill-based work, my consistent efforts and hard work that made me reach here today. If you are a student or a working professional and you feel you are stuck in your life and you know that money could solve all your problems, then you are absolutely right. But here's the truth. We are the luckiest generation that we have access to internet today. Free and paid resources, mentors, digital tools right at our fingertips so that we can learn and grow in our life. And if still you feel that you are stuck, you are not doing anything in your life and you are choosing comfort over growth, then it's not your circumstances that's holding you back. It's only you who is holding you back. The moment you quit laziness and you work towards all these things, you will start growing in your life. I took a leap of faith in the world of digital marketing and I started growing my social media page, and that's the turning point in my life. Today I run a successful digital products business, have trained hundreds and thousands of students. I myself have a life of freedom and help many students achieve the same. And let me tell you, I didn't do it overnight. It took me 2 long years to complete my $350,000, which is approx 3 crore Indian rupees. And I'm telling you my numbers not to show off, just telling you the possibility, what all is possible and how your life can transform completely in 1 or 2 years. And in just 2 years, I have built a successful business with digital products and affiliate marketing. Apart from that, I have helped many students transform their lives. I have myself won many awards on stage for helping students in their digital products business. And let me tell you something really interesting from my life. I gifted my parents a brand new car. And when you will do something like this for your parents, not to prove anything to the world, but to thank them, you will experience it's not about the numbers, but about how your parents are feeling proud of you. And at that moment, you will feel that you have literally achieved something in your life. I have traveled internationally multiple times. I stayed in 5-star hotels multiple times. I've trained students from all across the world, from US, Canada, Europe, UK, UAE. And apart from that, I have grew my social media account to 150,000 followers. I have built a community where women are taking charge of their financial life. And that has been my dream. That has been my goal. And that is why today I am making this video too. And there were days when I wanted to quit. I felt like that things are not working out in my favor, but still I stood up every single day for myself. I worked every single day, and that is the only reason why I have grown so fast. You must be wondering by now how exactly I did all of this. So 2 years back, when I was in my college, I was searching for a lot of online opportunities to make money while studying. And then I started researching on YouTube, on Google, Google and various other places, but I ended up finding many fake opportunities of this copy paste job, capture jobs, and these were all fake and scams. I felt completely stuck and I realized there was no real way of making money apart from a 9 to 5 job. Then randomly one day I found about high income skills that changed my life completely. I invested on courses, mentorships, I learned skills like affiliate marketing, content creation, digital product creation, mentorships, automations, high ticket sales, and all these digital marketing skills made me where I am today. In the starting, things were really difficult because I had no idea about these skills and I was expecting overnight result or a miracle to happen and I make a lot of money. Then eventually I realized that this is not the way of life. Then I started being consistent, consumed all the knowledge that I got from the courses and mentorships, learned everything. In the very first month I just made 50,000 rupees and in the next month I made 90,000 rupees. Then I made 3 lakh in a month. Then today I make more than 10 lakh rupees in a month, and I am only sharing my results to let you know that what all is possible if you learn the right demanding skills. Today, after achieving so much, I felt like why not start a YouTube channel from a complete scratch and share my knowledge, whatever I have learned in last 2 years and the way I have created results. So that is why I made this channel. What all you will get on my YouTube channel. So if you're somebody who is willing to start a side hustle, you want to learn skill, you want to make money in your part time, then this is the perfect channel for you. Or even if you are someone who is already doing a 9 to 5 job and you're not happy with your job, you want to quit your job and then you want to start learning skills, high demanding skills, and you want to start making lakhs per month, then this one channel will teach you everything from scratch, from zero to the advanced level. You know what? We are literally blessed with social media in our generation. We have social media at our advantage, and if you scroll social media the entire day, you know that people are literally making a lot of money from their social media. So if you have something in your hand, so instead of just scrolling it for entertainment purpose, why not learn a skill and make money through it? So I make money through digital product selling through social media, and that is what I can teach you and help you to make money from. You have ever said this to yourself, I don't know from where to start, I want to become successful, I want to quit my 9 to 5 and want to learn skills, I want to make money, I want to make my parents feel proud, I want to quit that lazy life and I want to become that successful woman, then this one channel will help you with everything. Social media and digital products are really simple to understand. Digital product is something that you are able to create and sell online. For example, you must have seen about ebooks, about the courses, mentorship, one-on-one consultations. All these are digital products, and if you have a social media, you know that you are interested in some niche, for example fitness, health, education, you can teach about this to people, because nowadays people are learning from social media. I myself watch so many YouTube videos, I myself buy so many courses and learn from them. So if you are somebody who is able to consume content, you should be able to at least deliver content so that you make money out of it. Just consuming a particular content on social media is not going to make you money, but if you are also creating content on social media, you can make money. In my life 2 years back, I felt completely stuck when I was not able to clear my NEET examination, when I knew that I am not going to become a doctor. But after realizing, after having that point of realization, I gathered that courage and confidence in myself, and I said this to myself that next 1 year you are going to make your parents feel proud of you, because this was not just my dream to become a doctor, it was my parents' dream too, and I was not able to achieve it. But I didn't stop in my life after getting such a big failure. I still gathered that courage and confidence, and I started growing myself, and today here I am. In last 2 years, making more than 3 crores is like too much for an Indian girl, that too being in her 20s. So I am just telling you my result, I'm just telling you about my experiences, my life, to inspire you, to motivate you, and to let you know that world is really big, sky is the limit, and if I can do it, being from a middle class family, you can do it too. And if you're able to resonate even a bit with my story and this YouTube video, then do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Also drop a comment below and tell me what is your biggest dream that you want to achieve, and I will reply to each one of you personally. And don't forget, you are just one skill away from a completely different life.